Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Marvel Studios intro in CapCut. First, open CapCut and start a brand new project. Import your desired Marvel logo and a suitable dark background image into your media library. Make sure your project's aspect ratio is set to 16:9 for a cinematic look. This initial setup is crucial for laying a strong foundation for your impressive intro. We'll then move on to animating the logo. Now, let's bring that Marvel logo to life. Drag your logo onto the main video track. Use CapCut's keyframe feature to animate its scale and position. Begin with the logo appearing very small, then gradually scale it up to fill the screen over approximately 2 seconds. You can also add a subtle rotation or a slight position shift between keyframes to give it a more dynamic and impactful entrance. Next, we'll add the iconic Studios text. Place it directly below your animated Marvel logo, trying to match the classic font style. To really sell the effect, apply a quick glitch or shake effect to both the logo and the text for about 1/2 second as they appear. Additionally, layer some subtle light leak overlays on top to give your intro that professional, high-energy cinematic glow. Finally, let's perfect the sound and export your masterpiece. Find a strong whoosh sound effect and sync it precisely with the Marvel logo scaling animation. Then, add a dramatic impact sound effect right when the logo fully forms on screen. This audio timing is critical for maximum impact. Once satisfied, export your video in high definition, like 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second, to share your awesome creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.